said, I don't know.
It's your friend today. Maybe she stayed here before.
No, first time.
First
But
time.
they saw it on line.
Okay.
So hard now, the bars are closed.
Yeah, there's only hotel and restaurant.
Yeah. This is the brass knob, huh? Okay, great.
You can look inside if you want.
Okay, thank you.
And show it to me.
Huh?
And show it to me.
Okay. Okay, the brass knob. So in the brass knob, there's no more bar, only rooms. And it's still 1,000 for standard? Yes. That's very cheap. Oh, this is the beautiful room of the brass knob. Hmm. And how much is this one?
This is the 1,005.
Oh, 1.5. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I like this. Nice toilet, nice shower. And this would cost 1,500. Okay. Have a little refrigerator too. Oh, that's good. So you work here a long time?
Yes, I've been working here 14 years ago.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes.
You're not manager yet?
No! I don't like manager.
You don't like? Why?
Because many, you know,
Decisions?
I have many decisions and then no experience to handle the business.
Oh, they even give you books here just in case you get bored.
Yeah. Just in case you don't bring your girlfriend, your friend, or whatever.
Girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever.
Yeah, that's the answer. Whatever you
You do what you want to do.
Yeah.
What happens in Angeles stays in Angeles. Okay.
You know, because the face of the road, so little bit noisy. Then
But I like this one better because when you shut the door and turn off the light,
yeah.
it's so dark.
So if you want, we can try now. So where you stay now?
Near Diamond Subdivision.
Ah, too far here.
Yeah.
Mahirap.
Okay, so you don't have no boyfriend, husband.
It's nothing. It's better you can find me.
Find you? Okay. I try to find for you. What do you like? Old man, young man?
No, not young man. 50 above.
Okay, 50.
Yeah.
Financially secure?
Yeah, the important thing accept me who I am.
Okay.
That's the loop.
So anybody out there want to send... What's your name?
Lira.
Okay, this is Lyra. She works in the brass knob for 14 years.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Okay, great. And how old are you?
41.
That's okay, 41. That's why she's looking for a gentleman 50 and above.
Yeah.
Okay, well, great.
Not 20, not like that.
Oh, yeah, well, that's kind of different.
Yeah.
Okay, Lyra, well... Lira, like the French money or Italian money?
I don't know.
Okay, great.